This 2018 Cruiser RV Shadow Cruiser 289 RBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used cruiser RV is 34 feet 9 inches in length and features sleep 6, water heater, TV, stovetop burner, slide-out, air conditioning, oven, refrigerator, awning, external shower, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Cruiser RV Shadow Cruiser 289 RBS is 6,605 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.